Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install one of these door stops on your hinge. This is fairly easy to do, and definitely nicer than putting a hole in your baseboards. And the only tools really you're going to need is a hammer and one of this pin removal tool. If you don't have one of this, you can also use a small screwdriver. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is take, one of the pins from your hinge. You will insert this pin removal tool. Give it a couple tap. You can see it slides. You just go ahead and remove it. What you do is you take this portion of the door stop against the door. You slide the pin back in. You might have to align it just a little bit. And then you're gonna just give it a little tap, nice and tight. And that's pretty much it. Now, as far as the adjustment to the door, you wanna kind of gauge where do you want your door to stop. If you want it more closer to the wall, just turn it clockwise, and you can see that you get, as you turn more to the clockwise, you get closer to the door. Counterclockwise, and you get further from the door. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.